Your breath is not passive. It is a record before. Slow breath restores order. Most people attempt to change their lives by changing thoughts, but thoughts are not the root, they are the result. The breath is the gateway. Ancient teachings understood this, not symbolically, mechanically. Rhythm governs systems, and breath is rhythm made visible. When breath is shallow, energy fragments. When breath lengthens, energy organizes. This is why calm is not created by effort. It is created by regulation today. We do not analyze the mind. We regulate the system beneath it. Begin by noticing your breath without changing it. Is it shallow? Is it rushed? Is it uneven? Do not judge. Observation alone begins the reset. Now introduce rhythm. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Pause briefly. Exhale gently for 6 seconds. This longer exhale signals safety to the nervous system. Safety allows order. Order allows clarity. Complete 10 rounds. If the mind wanders, return to counting. Counting anchors awareness. Awareness stabilizes energy. This is not relaxation, it is regulation. After the final breath, sit still. Notice the space between thoughts. Notice the slowing of internal noise. This space is where order enters today. Record how you feel before and after this practice, not emotionally, energetically. Lighter or heavier, clearer or scattered. This is your inner ledger at work. Small rhythms create lasting order, and order always precedes change.